All right, everyone. Now we're going to talk a little bit about safer sex during a global pandemic. This is a huge deal right now, and it's really important to know how to mitigate risks while we're living in this quarantine time. So, COVID-19 does spread through coughs, sneezes, breathing, spit, and feces. So, sexual contact like kissing or oral sex on an anus can definitely spread COVID-19. Also, if you're just close by with a partner and they cough on you while you're engaging in sex, you could also contract COVID-19. So the best way to prevent the spread is to just avoid close physical contact, aka sex, with anyone who doesn't live with you. So some ways to kind of like still be able to engage in sexual experiences would be to have sex with yourself, masturbate, as we mentioned, use like mutual masturbation over technology or solo masturbation, and also use toys, and just make sure that you're washing both your hands and toys after engaging in those activities. And here is a link to Planned Parenthood's advice on COVID-19 and your sexual health in case you want more details.
And so the big takeaway from that slide is unless you live with your partner,
Yeah.
learn to love yourself again and have some fun.
Yep. And get creative with what you can do online or over the phone. Like, you got this.
Find out what you like, what you're getting into, explore a little. Porn's great for that.
True.